how to save caption preset in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. So now here is my caption. I'll select all the caption and then go to this option effects, or I'll just go to this animation. So after I go to the animation, I'll just go to this captions. So I'll select some preset for the captions. So I'll add this one.
Hey guys.
So after I add this one, now if I want to save this one and use it on all of my videos, just right click on one of the text, then go to this save preset. So now it saved this text as a preset for me. So if you want to use it on your next video, here is how to do it. Go to media, go to yours, go to my preset, and then scroll to down. If you scroll to down, you'll be able to see the preset you saved for your caption. So if you want to use it for your next video, just import it like this. Right click on it and then go to this undo compound clip. So from there you can just right click on it again and then to copy attributes. After you copy attribute, so then go ahead and select all your caption that you created on your current editing, and then I click on one of them and then go to this paste attribute and then go to this paste. So from there you use the effects of the previous save caption on your current editing. So this one will be used for your all of your video as a preset for you. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. So now you can go ahead and delete this one, and that's it.